Okay, today we're going to make an Ulster fried quiche. Just a lot of stuff to use up, just bits of leftovers. So we had a fry yesterday, so I've got some bacon and sausage, tomato left from that. So you're going to need some soda bread flour or self-raising flour. I'm going to make a soda bread as a base instead of pastry. It's going to be a soda bread pastry. I've got some different cheeses just left over, bit of grated red cheese and some sliced cheddar. You'll need some butter, salt, pepper, eggs and some milk. Okay, so in a mixing bowl or a large pot, something just you've room to move your hands around in, I'm going to add a mug of flour. Okay, going to add a spoonful of butter. Okay, going to add some salt. Some cracked pepper. Then one hand in, just pass the butter and the flour through your fingers. We're going to make the consistency of a breadcrumb really. So just like this, just through your fingers. Okay, so that's it there. The next stage we're going to add some milk. Okay, so we're going to take half a mug of milk. We're going to add half of the half first. Take your spoon, just combine it. And we're looking to make a nice dough ball just. Then add half of this is left. If it goes a bit too wet, you can just add a wee bit more flour. You're just looking for that there. Not too dry, not too wet. I'm just going to leave this for 10 minutes to sit. Okay, so I've got two tins here. They're 6 inches and they're non-stick. So just take 2 fingers, bit of butter, give them a nice good coating. Give it 3 dustings so they don't stick. You're going to take your dough ball, flour your hands just coat the dough ball with a bit of flour, break it in half on each, okay? Okay, so I'm making quiches with this today. This dough could be used to make soda bread. You just have to shape it and cook it on a griddle pan either side until it's cooked through. You can use this here tin to shape it, push it down, tip it out and cut it into 4. You'll have 4 nice sodas, but we're going to make a quiche here, so if you can't keep one hand flour, you're just going to press this down with your knuckles. Press it right into the sides. Then when you get to the sides, you're going to start tucking it with your fingers like this. Doesn't matter if you've got holes, it'll spread it out again. If it starts to get sticky, just give a wee bit of flour in your hands. Alternatively, you can roll it with a rolling pin. I think it's just easier. And again, just going to flour my hand and just press it down. Cover any of those holes now. And just repeat for the second one as well. Okay, so you can see I've got the 2 tins lined now. I'm not going to blind bake these, it's just very rough quiche we're going to do. So next thing I'm going to do is going to combine the eggs and some milk. Okay, so we're going to crack 6 eggs into a bowl or a pot to mix. Okay, And the leftover bit of milk you had from your soda bread, just top it up till it'll be half a mug full. I'm using the mug because it's a pretty standard size, everyone should have one in the house, so in that goes. If you had some cream, it would be nice in it as well, instead of milk. Then you add some salt, a lot of salt. Add some black pepper. And add on full cheese as well. Any cheese at all, great, it doesn't matter. Just keep some back for the top. Just going to beat this. Okay, so that's the eggs and the milk combined. We're just going to pour it into the tin. Try and get them even. Then it's basically whatever you have sitting about, you can put in them. So I've got some sausages left over, so I'm going to put spread it about like that, and take the top of this tomato, some nice slices, thin. Set them in like that there, with some bacon. And just sprinkle it. Like that there. I've got some leftover slices of cheese. Just going to slice bits and bobs in like that there, and then just a handful of your cheese you had left over. I'm going to bake this at 160 degrees for about 40 minutes. We'll come back to you when it's cooked. Okay folks, so 40 minutes has lapsed. The quiches are ready. All you want to do at this stage is just run a knife just around the outside of the tin. Okay, so we just wanted to run the knife around the edge of the tin so the pastry doesn't stick. And all you want to do is let these sit for 10 minutes, let them settle. The best way to get them out of the tin is to get a serrated knife, saw it right in half, take a flat fish slice, down, in and lift up. And you'll have a nice clean quiche. That's it. I recommend you serve that. You could have hash browns or chips or something like that with it.